Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Single Line Code. So today I'll be talking about another concept, or you can say not a concept but a trick on how to create or how to get a customer sales for a previous year. You already have your customer sales for the current year. Now you want the customer sales for a previous year, or you can say previous month or previous day or previous quarter. So let's jump in. Create a measure, customer sales last year. So what I will do is I will use calculate function here. Calculate expression would be customer by sales, comma. I will use a function which is very handy to create last year sales, which is nothing but date add. Date add, I will give you the date value, transaction date, comma. So when you type in date add, you can see there are three input parameters which it takes. One is the dates, number of intervals, and interval. Dates is nothing but your date column present in a date table. It can be any date, birth date, transaction date, up to you. Since I am taking in what you call, I am trying to find the yearly sales or previous year sales. So I need transaction date, and I'll use that date as my dates input. My number of intervals would be I am doing for last year, so I would take -1. If you are doing for last year, then you can take -2. So I will take -1. Now you have interval as day, month, quarter, year as discussed previously, right? You can also see for month, quarter, but I'm interested to see for year. I will type in year and I will close the parenthesis. I would want to see for, let's say, I'll put a filter. It's already transaction date is on 1819. It is fine. Let's pull that value. Customer sales last year. See guys, 2017 doesn't have any like 2017 is the starting year and 2016 doesn't have any values, so it is coming as blank. Let's see for 2018, it should have 2017 values. See guys, 2018 2508 2508, here it is 2508, right? So it is taking, so 2018 is taking 2017's previous value, previous year sales value. Why 17 does not have any value? Because the data or the data structure of the table which I'm having, or you can say the data set which I'm having, in the date starts from 2017, or year starts from 2017. That's why I don't have any value. Now, in this scenario, there is one function known as if blank, which can be handy. So I'm just showing you it right now with this Okay, let's create another measure and then show you that. Customer sales. Last year, no sales. So if is blank, customer year last year, then what I will do, I'll try to return no sales. Else I would want customer sales last year. So why? Okay, let me close this. Yes. So it's quite easy, guys. This function, what it does is it takes isBlank takes in value as a parameter or input. Once it takes an input, it will try to, since it is in under if and else, so it will try to see if my customer says last year is blank, it will try to take a value. That value I'm giving as no sales. If there are value, then it will be customer sales last year. Okay, press enter. Just drag and drop these values. See, guys, as I told you, so there are no values, right, for 2016. So that's why it is coming no sales. So there is another advanced function for isBlank, that is known as colorless function. I am repeating colorless function, that I will show you once I discuss more on this topic. That is advanced. That is not an advanced topic. That is a small trick, and it is very useful when you apply it via, or when you apply with variable. You can easily use that. You don't have to write additional is blank or create a column or create a measure and then do is blank function, right? So that's it for today. I hope to see you in the next lecture. Thank you. Please subscribe and like. Thank you.